guys, the third animation I'm going to be acting to is Thomas the Tank.
Oh, hey there. It's me, B-list celebrity and A-list conductor, Alec Baldwin. And welcome to the magical island of Sodor. Oh, yeah. Let's go meet up with him.
Why?
Oh, man, but he's so far away. How will we reach him? Oh, that's right. I can just use some gold dust. Remember that? From my 19% on Rotten Tomatoes movie,
He's almost getting
Thomas and the
away.
Magic Railroad. I can use it to teleport all
I
sorts
think
of
you
other
should get
wacky
there in
tacky
time.
shit. Let's do that now. Sparkle, sparkle.
Oh, cool.
Hello, Mr. Conductor.
Oh, please, Thomas. Mr. Conductor was my great-grandpappy's name. You can call me B-list celebrity D-list conductor Alec Baldwin.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that.
Whatever fires your furnace.
You should watch your language, Mr. Conductor. What
Yes.
would Sir Topham Hatt say?
He would say you should be watching the tracks, Thomas. You could hit someone if you're not careful.
I'm one of Sir Topham Hatt's most important and useful
Yeah,
engines.
Thomas.
I'm always careful.
Then why is there blood on your face, Thomas?
Oh, what the hell?
I told you to watch the tracks, Thomas. Now look, you've gone and hit someone.
He hit!
I don't know, Thomas. Let's go back and
you
check.
did because he
Sparkle,
saw him in
sparkle.
front.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god!
Wow, Thomas, you really...
Who is it?
What?
Hey, Thomas, get this.
What?
You're gonna love this.
Tell me!
Remember when we talked about Sir Topham Hatt?
Oh god.
And when we talked about what he would say if you weren't careful?
Is it Sir Topham Hatt?
Well, it's not Sir Topham
I
Hatt.
don't
Then
know.
who?
Just kidding, it's Sir Topham Hatt. You got pranked. Well, you can take it from here, buddy. Sparkle, sparkle.
What?
He's really high and violent too. His addictions killed a few. Coke and weed and beer and meth.
Mm-hmm.
He's a
Nope.
He really thinks that trains can talk. Doing drugs are
No.
doing so much he could die. Alec Baldwin's high. I make sense. Yeah.
Okay, this last reaction.
SpongeBob, check out this new
Okay, guys, the second one is this.
Hey, SpongeBob, check out this new clarinet solo. Whoopsies, that wasn't my clarinet.